everyone, hello my friends, hello, thank you for coming, thanks as always. Every Sunday I'm doing live stream for you. I'm trying to show you what's happening with the market. I'm trying to show you what's gonna happen, and I'm trying to give you some kind of non-financial advice, because all I'm saying here, all we're posting in our private groups, all we're posting in our public group, especially those of you who's following us on the TikTok, you receiving a lot of information. This is not financial advice. That's what our algorithm shows and what we are doing every day on the market. We're buying, selling, investing, trying to speculate, trying to get as much profit as we can. So thanks to everyone who's following us. Thank you to everyone who's pressing like, who's subscribing, who putting comments. First of all, I want to say you that in bio on TikTok or in description of this video, you will find all additional information. And by the way, as on the previous week, we post one small form for those who are willing to get access to our algorithm. Fill out this form, leave your answers there. It's like the small form where you can leave your contact information, and only two guys in this world, we're gonna drop their names in Telegram channel, could reach you out and give you all answers about the algorithm, about system, etc. First of all, I want to tell you, this form will be under this video only for 24 hours. Like tomorrow, I'm gonna delete this form and you're not gonna get access to that form. And for those who will fill up this form, you will get additional discount. So this is our small present to you before the end of the March. So let's leave everything behind. Let's talk about what's happening today. But first of all, I want to say to you, I made a huge mistake. I made a huge mistake on the previous live stream. I said that the gold will go down until, and let's open the chart and talk about gold for the first thing, because I think it's something that people could see from the previous live streams about what I was telling to people. Where is the gold? Where is the gold? Let me find, here it is. So on the previous live stream, I was telling to people that probably from 25th of March, the price of the gold will go down. But I was telling to people that the price will go down till 11th of April on the 4-hour time frame, and on the daily time frame, we're gonna see the downtrend till 12th of May. So right now we're receiving that, if we're gonna talk about the previous week, the price go up. Yes, sometimes it's happening. We're receiving 2.3% movement up, but let's leave it here. Let's not touch this chart, and we will see what's gonna happen with the gold in the middle of May. That's what's more interesting for me. First of all, before we start to talk about what's gonna happen with assets, with altcoins, with bitcoins, with dominance, with etc., like whatever, we're gonna talk about what we've been talking about previously, because I wanna clear the chart. I'm like doing too much live streams in the private group. I'm doing too much live streams for you every day, and I'm trying to show you. Oh my God, he's like fucking retarded or what? Maybe something happening with the, thank you, like, subscribe, watching from USA. What's wrong with him? Give me a second, please, because this is my assistant. Ты болеешь, блядь? У меня лайвстрим. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know why he called me. Maybe something terrible happening, but please press the plus button if everything is good. Press the, like, I need to receive confirmation that the sound is good, the quality of image is good, everything is good, and I can like continue, because I don't know what's happening. I really don't know. Please press the plus button. Okay, on TikTok everything is fine. Everyone who's watching me from the TikTok, just go visit link in bio and you will receive all chart information in the perfect quality. I'm trying to get plus Uliana, thank you. Artyom, okay, I trust Artyom because he's helping me with the private group for Ukrainians. Thank you very much. Okay, we can come back to the chart. So I want to clear the chart. I'm like going crazy with everything that I'm trying to give you because I'm doing this every day. So let's try to watch what we was thinking, what we was telling people. So first of all, 2 weeks ago, I was telling about like, hey guys, open short position from the mark $86,039. I'm deleting this mark. I'm deleting this. So I'm gonna delete even that chart from here for right now, and we're gonna fresh our thoughts. So this was the short from $86,000. It works fine, then it's gonna go up, and right now we've been telling to people from the previous live stream on the TikTok, on the YouTube, in our Telegram channel, from 28th of March, we are going down till the first week of April. Period. That's what we said. I cannot edit videos. I cannot edit my words. We're not deleting anything. If I'm making mistakes, I'm telling people, hey guys, I made mistake. But you all been prepared because we been telling you that the price will go down from 28th of March. So I'm gonna delete this line from here because BTC will be here. That was posted here probably in January when everyone like, yeah, we're going to the moon, but I'm gonna delete that. Still can be here before 4th of April. You see that huge zone? We are here before 4th of April, but I'm gonna do that thing, okay? If you don't mind, I'm gonna squeeze that zone probably to 75,000. That's what I'm thinking, because the last time we said that $77,000, this is the bottom. From 24 till 28, we are going down. From 28 till 6, we are going up. From 6 till 10, we are going down. Go watch every video on the YouTube, on the TikTok, previous live streams. Everything was said weeks and days before it happened. So I'm gonna leave this mark here, and I'm still expecting the price from $75,000 to $64,000 for the Bitcoin before the middle of April. So I'm gonna put here not 4th, I'm gonna put here 12th of April because something changing, something happening. I truly believe that the price could be here before 4th, and we're gonna talk about this a little bit later, but I'm gonna put 12th of April. And also, I'm still leaving that zone here because I think that before May we could bounce back. Maybe not here, because first of all, we need to break through $96,000. So I'm gonna leave it probably something like, oh my God, sorry. I'm gonna leave it something like, give me please. I'm gonna leave it something like $94,000, even a little bit lower. So I'm gonna do that here, and we're gonna say April 8. I think it will work. Today is March 30, tomorrow is my mother's birthday, so let's see how it's go. Let's see where the price will be. I'm leaving it back here, and I'm gonna do something like that. In my opinion, that's it. So why I still live in that zone here? Because I truly believe that before August, the price could be here. I truly believe in that. And in my opinion, the end of BTC will be, the end of BTC cycle, bullish market will be in October, November 2025. So I'm gonna leave this zone here because in my opinion, we still could reach all-time high. We still could be somewhere like between $110,000, $115,000. But I'm gonna leave those two zones here from 110 to 121. I think it's fair enough. So I'm gonna leave everything here, and we're gonna go back to our forecast model here. And why we have that line here, if we can move it back to the daily time frame, it's showing us like the end of May. And let's do this, daily buy here and daily buy here. So we have those daily buying points, and still we are waiting for daily, as I said to you before, guys, in the previous live streams, from probably the end of January, from the beginning of March, or from the beginning of February, we've been telling to you that from 10th of March till the beginning of May, the price will go up. So I'm leaving these marks, these lines here, and we are expecting with you something like that. This is our weekly time frame. I know that I'm not often showing you the weekly time frame because why should I? You're not following us, you're not supporting us. If I'm gonna go and see how many people are watching this live stream right now, I'm gonna see way less likes than watchers, viewers. That's not good. But I'm giving you opportunity to change it. I'm gonna check the like counts in a few minutes. I hope that you're gonna support me. I hope that you're gonna show me your love, because I'm the person that need to be like, you need to pet me. You need to like, oh, you're a good person, because I am who I am. If I'm not receiving your support, if I'm not seeing your likes, then I'm thinking like, hey, it means that they don't need additional information, and then I'm cutting off the live stream. But I want to talk to you today about altcoins. So please feed me, pet me, like, you know, a little bit happy ending for me. So if we're gonna go on the weekly time frame, we see that chart. It shows us that from the middle of May, the price will turn around, and we have one more bump here. Just try to understand what I'm trying to say to you. And after that, the price going down. You see that. The chart is the chart. So those of you who's watching me on the TikTok, just go visit the link in bio, go follow us on the YouTube, and you will see all the chart. I'm trying to show you not what's happening behind my back, what's happening on the screen of my laptop. So we see that the price should go lower, and I'm already prove you how our system works. So when we should quit the market, when we should stop buying, when we should sell everything, we'll talk about this later. Right now, we're talking about nearest future, from 28th till 1st, till 2nd, till 5th. Let's say first week of April, as I said to you before, we are going still down. So if we're gonna leave the green mark here, and we're gonna leave one more mark here, we're receiving some kind of dates, and you will tell me, hey, yesterday you've been talking about 12th of April, now you're talking about 15th of April. Just what date should I wait? What date should I buy? A lot of people forgetting about, like, when we're giving you two dates, for example, first week of April and second week of April, it will be way more easier to you to understand that all you need to wait is the huge red candles on the 4-hour time frame. You need to wait until this candle will be closed. But you don't have that kind of filter, which showing us that anytime soon the price will turn around again and will go down. That's not financial advice. It is what's gonna happen. Our filter showing us that the price will turn around. And all we need to do is to figure out when it's gonna turn around. So right now I'm telling you that from the first days of April, in my opinion, it's gonna be from the first day of April. So don't try to catch short position right now. Please, Nick, if you're watching this live stream, we've been talking about the short from yesterday, from $83,000. In my opinion, you should not try to catch the short position right now, because too many people catching position like at the end of the movement. They was like watching us, they saw the video at the last time and like, yeah, so this guy been telling me that the price from 10th of March will go up till 28th of March. Then I'm gonna open one more long position. I'm opening position every day, and sometimes I'm doing mistakes because I'm like overthinking, or like I'm just, okay, the chart showing me long, I will open the long. Who cares about what algorithm showing me? I have opportunities, I have strategy, I have my risk management. I'm trying to like make as much profit as I could, but sometimes I'm doing mistakes, and I'm showing to people, hey guys, I'm in the losses right now. On the next morning, I'm showing people, hey guys, I'm in plus 20% profit right now. Right now I'm have the same, the short and long position. I know how to work with that. I'm not trying to feel yourself greedy. I'm not trying to put you in the state of FOMO. No, I'm trying to like give you as much information so you can do your own research, so you can like do way more profitable trades than fixing losses, fixing stop losses, fixing liquidation. No, guys, just try to understand. So we have what we have on our 4-hour time frame. From 28 till the first week we are going down. The chart shows us that 1st of April, the price will turn around and go up till the 7th of April. In my TikTok videos, I've been telling about, hey guys, we're going down till the 1st and 5th, then we're pumping back till the 8th. This is the life model. The mathematical analysis, the mathematical calculations are happening here in live. And we're receiving some kind of confirmation, something are changing. I cannot do live streams all my life. I cannot do like, hey guys, alarm, alarm, you should. No, we're trying to give you as much information for free as we could. And if I'm gonna go and refresh the page, I will see that 389 people are watching this live stream and only 203 people press the like button, including me. Take a look at this. I'm gonna take it away. That's your respect. That's your support. That's how you wanna receive the additional information. And of course, as always, I'm telling to people, if this video wouldn't get 500 likes, next week we are skipping live stream and I'm gonna do everyday live streams for the private group only, because they're receiving way more information. And those of you who's willing to get access to the private group, we created only for you because you were asking us for that. Link in bio, link in description. So again and again, forgetting the past, we are living right now. In my opinion, for the next 2 days, the price will go down. Right now, the price of the Bitcoin is $82,600. If we're gonna go on the lower time frame, we can catch the price movement from the top to the bottom. So we're gonna take a look at the price. We're gonna take a look at the structure of the Bitcoin. But it's way easy to talk about the dates. So we're receiving the signal that from the 1st of April, the price will go up till 7th of April. Then the price will go down again till 15. Then the price will bounce back till 21st. And again, my friends, it's always happening almost the same way. There is the dates inside year, inside months, inside week, inside day, inside 4 hour, inside 1 hour time frame. There is the dates. You choosing the time frame, you choosing the asset, and you're trading by this time frame. You're going from the higher time frame to the lower time frame and you're making your decision. So what we see here, and I think that it's some kind of historical chart right now, because in my opinion, I'm telling this for the 3rd month in the row on the 4 hour time frame, but on the weekly time frame, my friends, I will show you. Nothing changing on the weekly time frame. If you're gonna go in our private group and you're gonna go in the pinned messages and you're gonna open that, for example, that chart which was given to you from August 8, you see that we've been telling to people buy in September, sell in December, then the price will go down. Nothing changing from August, guys. August, it's almost 1 year ago we predict the price. So the price moves from the August lower till $52,000, $53,000, then it bounced back to $110,000, almost like $10,000. And now we are in the selling zone. So that's what's happening with the chart on the weekly time frame. And again, if I'm gonna go back here, I'm gonna see that the weekly time frame changed a little bit. We're receiving that pump here, that like the small hump on the street. Like you need to slow down before this hump, cross it, and then we are going down again. So that's why we're trying to find the best dates for buying our assets. We're accumulating them. As I said to you always, I'm putting my money partly in the asset. I'm buying partly. I'm catching all the bottoms of the 2025s, as we did with you in 2024. By the way, as soon as possible, we check all videos on the TikTok. 99% of them was correct dates. We're gonna make the huge video and let's go back to the future, let's come back to the past, let's see how we predict the price, like how it was if you follow us previous year. And you can check all this information are available in TikTok or whatever. So up, down, up, again, down, and up again. So what do we see here, my friends? This is really interesting thing. What do we see here? The 4-hour time frame showing us that the beginning of May will be correction, and the daily time frame showing us that take a look at this. The daily time frame showing us that here the beginning of May will be the correction. So let's remember this date. Now, you know how I'm gonna put it here? I'm gonna put the highlight mark. So, and we're gonna leave it here. This is gonna be red. This is gonna be green. This is the daily time frame, my friends. So what does it mean? That on the daily time frame we need to catch this movement. And please do not be afraid of everything. Like when you're trying to catch movement inside the day or inside the week, when you're doing swing trades, that's fine. When you invest in your money, everything that you need to do is to do it constantly. Either you invest in each month, each Monday, twice a year, or whatever strategy you're choosing, you need to do it constantly. I'm choosing the strategy. I'm gonna buy every fucking dip. I'm gonna do this every fucking dip. I'm putting 1% in one asset for each dip. If I'm taking 10 assets for my portfolio, I'm putting 1% for each dip. It means that I will catch 10 dips. If every month we're receiving 2 dip points, then it means that I need 5 months to accumulate my portfolio. That's the easiest strategy in the world. So it means that we are finishing our 3rd month. And those of you who's following us, we've been selling everything from December. And then we start accumulate every month, every date. We're telling you that. Everything that I need from you is support. It's your likes, subscription, follows. So guys, please, everyone who's following us on the TikTok, everyone who's watching us on the TikTok, go visit link in bio. You will see the live stream on the YouTube. This is the first thing. Watch our videos on the TikTok. After that live stream, I will take my cameras, I will take my friend, and we will go on the Rodeo Drive. So if you want to punch me in the face for some kind of position, just go there. I will bring my teeth. I will bring my eyes. You can give me like the blue eye or whatever. You can just like do whatever you want. Please, TikTok, do not block me right now. The people need this information. Please. No offense, my friends. By the way, there is the Italian guy who's copying us and he's selling his information to people. If you're gonna see him ever, just please try to block him. But I don't care. If people are copying you, it means that you are doing great. So we have this like huge alarm, huge signal on the beginning of May. But still we have April before May. And it means that I'm not gonna put all my money here on the 1st of May and I'm not gonna put all my money here on the 15th of May. I'm gonna put part of my deposit from USDT to the assets there. And I'm gonna leave a little bit more. But we need to think deeper. We need to look at this situation more wider. So, again, I'm gonna repeat it for you. Please be curious all the time. Try to check this information. Try to make notes. Again, we've been telling you from 28 we are going down till the 1st week of April. So let's skip the weeks. Let's leave the dates plus minus 1 day, okay? Because you don't have access to the algorithm. If you want to get access, just fill out the form. This is the easiest form. Nothing like need from you. No credit cards, no whatever, like just the form. So our manager will contact you and say like, hey, we are from the team of Andrew, but please do not answer to anybody, because right now you're making the comments, and people could text you. Never answer for any comments in the social media. Please, I'm begging you. We will never text you back. If you fill the form and somebody texts you, wait until I'm gonna give you the confirmation that this is our manager, because there is too many people who trying to scam you, too many people. And it's terrible, because people, oh my God, I'm receiving 31,000 like on the TikTok. I love you guys. I love you guys. Those of you who's liking the video on the TikTok, you're doing great. Thank you very much. I'm here for you. You are my support. Those who's watching on the YouTube, come on guys. Just fucking one button, because, okay, you do not follow me. Just like, it's for free. Or you want me to like make the NFT or start my coin and says like, only those who's holding this coin will get access to the live streams. You want me to do that? You're pushing me to the limit. Like I'm looking at you. Give me a second, please. TikTokers, wait a minute. I'm talking to you, boy or girl. Just support me. That's it. That's fucking 2 seconds of your time. Let's get back to the chart. The dates. Plus minus 1 day. 1st April going up till the 7th of April. But I'm still thinking that it's gonna be like 8th of April. I need to check the economical calendar. I need to check the narrative which are like flying inside of media. Because I totally understand what's happening in the first 5 days of the April. But I need to like refresh my memory on the 2nd week of the April. So from 1st till 7th plus minus 1 day we are going up. From 7 till 15 plus minus 1 day we are going down. From 15 plus minus 1 day we are going up till 21st. Period. Enough. Let's not watch further, because the future is predictable, but it's something like Сонь, як сказати хрупке? Fragile. So, fragile? Yeah, fragile. Thank you very much. She's always correcting me. And I said, thank you, because I'm not smart enough. I'm not like this is not my language. So, fragile. And everything could happen. The black swans, the white swans, the fucking flamingo, like whatever. Something could happen. And I think it's waiting enough to talk about the next 3 weeks. But still, on the higher time frame, we can look further. For example, I will show you with the S&P 500. If I'm going to open the S&P 500, we can take a look until 2039. How crazy it is. We can take a look, like, probably my parents, I don't know, I think they're going to live 15 more years. I truly believe that. But if I'm gonna go and take a look on the 3 months time frame, what do I see? 2060? I'm gonna be something like, I told you, we've been talking about this since 2024. Yeah, as much as information we can get from the chart, the far we can take a look. That's why I'm telling to my partners that we're gonna withdraw the access from the people. And I've been telling to the people in the live stream on the private channel that I have some kind of brains inside my head. And I'm trying to do something huge with that. So I understand that there's too many people who's copying us. There's too many people who's like, you know, they receive access to something huge and they trying to get as much profit that they could. I don't care about that. Like, but in my opinion, those of you who's gonna get access in April, those people will be the last who gonna get access to the prediction model. From the April, we will cut off that prediction model and we will leave only 2 models. That's my dream. I don't know, either my partners will agree with that. I'm working on that. But as soon as possible, We will stop doing the live streams. We will stop doing the content which we need. Like, for example, I'm gonna go on the Rodeo Drive today. I'm gonna film the dates on the April, and I'm gonna post it as app because people should know. But from the next months, I'm gonna go on the Rodeo Drive. I'm gonna make content, and I'm gonna post this content only after it will be done. No offense, guys. I can do whatever I want. This is my game. This is my rules. All I need is support and appreciation. So we can look further, way further than we expect. But 3 weeks, 2 more live streams will happen before that gonna happen. So it's... You saw this video and the girl is like... And they put in like some kind of picture of the bees or of the sport bikes. Like, do not make jokes. Do not make it. It's not funny. It's not funny. So let's go further, my friends, because right now we're trying to clear the chart. Right now we're trying to give as much information as we could. So that's fine with me. That's fine with me. If you're gonna one day buy before 15th of March, we've been here because you remember from the beginning of the live stream, I put this zone lower, so I'm good with that. One day before May, 1 week buy. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it here. Let's go lower. How it was with the previous lines. Buy up, buy up, buy up, buy up, buy up, buy, who knows? So I'm gonna delete all these drawings and I'm gonna leave it here, which shows us that this is Bitcoin USDT chart on the Poloniex. So Poloniex, the cryptocurrency exchange, showing us that the price will go up, but not right now. I want to say girls, guys, the price will go lower. So please don't try to catch the movement up. Too many people trying to catch the latest movement. So I'm gonna put this mark here, and that Poloniex showing us that the price will be in the bottom from 6 till 9. Please skip this information. I'm only showing you that you need to check the information on the cryptocurrency exchange which you are trying to use. But Poloniex, why I'm using Poloniex? That's the cryptocurrency exchange that's showing me that the price will go lower till the beginning of 2027. But all I'm doing right now is we are going through what we've been telling to you before. Again and again, the same thing. The Bitcoin dominance. Love you. The Bitcoin dominance. What do you expect from the Bitcoin dominance? As far as you should understand, when the Bitcoin dominance are going up and the Bitcoin are going up, the altcoins are performing slowly. They are going up too, but not so much. When the Bitcoin dominance are going down and the Bitcoin are trading in the flat or it going up, the altcoins are pumping. If the Bitcoin dominance are staying in the flat or going up and the Bitcoin are going up as well, even on $100. Oh, sorry, Bitcoin going down. The dominance are in the flat or going up and the Bitcoin price going down even on $100, the altcoin starts dumping. Yes, that's how it works. Bitcoin dominance affect the altcoins. And the opposite thing, the same thing, if the USDT dominance are going up, it means that all crypto markets are going down. If the USDT dominance are going down, it means that the all crypto markets are going up. What does it mean? People are selling their assets, more USDT on the market, USDT dominance going up, altcoins going down, and Bitcoin as well. If people are buying, they need to buy it for USDT, USDC, other stable coins, or even they're gonna buy it for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. So depending on the dominance, it affects the market. So we always trying to analyze Bitcoin dominance and USDT dominance. And I think that those of you who's receiving additional information from me could give me some fucking likes. For TikTok, no questions. You are the best. Like, take a look at yourself. You fucking beautiful. Even if you weighed like 500 pounds, you are beautiful. But inside. No offense. Like, do squats all the time. Because why you listening to me? Why you want to be rich if you cannot go upstairs to your second floor of your mansion? Why you want to be rich if you cannot drive like Lamborghini or whatever? You're not gonna fit there. Think about it. Money is not everything in this world. Think about it. Let's go back to the chart. So Bitcoin dominance. I'm not gonna look 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna look only on the daily time frame. So what's the daily time frame showing to me? That we are still gonna go up, and too many people asking, where is the alt season? When is gonna be the alt season? Hey guys, it's already happening since 2022. Where have you been? Like, you been afraid? You didn't bought anything? Or you bought something? Why you didn't sell it in March 2023? Why you didn't sell it in November, December 2024? Why you didn't sell it in March and November, December 2024? So in my opinion, those who's talking about like 4-year cycles, like, stop following them. The cycle are changing. Everything is changing. Like the price, the volatility, the liquidity, everything is changing. The strategy is changing. Everything that works before 2021 doesn't work anymore. So on the daily time frame, we will put this mark here. Yeah, let's put it this mark here. But we're gonna make decision on the weekly time frame. Okay, sounds good. So if we're receiving these dates on the daily time frame, I'm not thinking that that's where the alt season will be. I'm talking about the alt season for the previous 4 or 6 months, that it's gonna happen only either in October, November, or summer. So that's 2 ± 1 month. Please just understand, I'm giving you something like thoughts about the alt season, that either it's gonna happen from August till November. August or November, ± 1 month. For some assets, it's gonna be July, August, September. For some assets, it's gonna be November, October, December. All we need to wait while the Bitcoin dominance will come back here. All we need to wait is 53%. And that will be way then enough. It's gonna be like X2, X4, X5 for every asset on the market. But if we ever come back here to 40, 44%, to that zone, exactly that zone. So when that moment's gonna happen, you're gonna see the pump, the biggest pump in the world for the assets. But please remember, that moment will end, and be prepared when you're gonna see that the assets are pumping, the same as in the March or November 2024. The same. Remember that in 3 or 4 weeks it's gonna end, and it's gonna end fast. It's gonna end immediately. So don't be greedy. If you truly believe that the Ripple will ever cost $60,000, okay, withdraw what you invest and leave everything else till $60,000. But we've been talking with my followers in the private group about if ever Ripple gonna cost, as the Forbes says, $60,000, it means that the whole supply of the Ripple, 58 billion Ripple coins, should cost $3 quadrillion. It's 6 times more than all money supply in the world, including gold, including the cash, including the credit debit money, including everything. Again and again. Those of you who even believe that the Ripple will ever cost $100, probably you should wait until 2029, 2030. Somewhere there, maybe, but probably for $100, we're gonna buy 1,000 of X. Inflation, don't forget about this. they already give you something like, hey, you made money. We promised you that it will go up. Yes, but since $3.30, we are the only one who's telling people, hey, sell, sell, sell. We're showing you the price. We're showing you the zones. The last prediction was for $1.9 in the February. Then we said about $1.9 again a few days ago. So remember that. You should understand how the price moves. And if you are in the huge community, and everyone telling you about something like, so probably, yeah, the price will go there, you should do almost all the time opposite things. So yeah, in my opinion, when we're gonna reach something like 100,000 followers, we're gonna cut zero information in the public, like zero information. If you're gonna go and watch my YouTube in Ukrainian, I have almost 300,000 followers there. I stopped doing this for Ukrainians. Why? Because they're not supporting me. I had 33,000 followers in Telegram channel for Ukrainian people. I sell it in 2022 and start new channel. I had something like 7,400 followers there. They stopped giving me reactions and likes. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing this in English, because I see that you don't give a fuck about that I leave my country. You don't give a fuck about either I'm divorced someone or I said something cringy in the media, because I'm a little bit popular in Ukraine and I'm a little bit hateful and cringy in Ukraine because people don't fucking respect money. They want to know what I'm eating, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm like, why you are fight with that person or that person. Ukrainian people don't want to know about money. They want to know about my underwear. And I'm okay. I'm wearing Calvin Klein right now. I'm okay with that. So I stopped doing this for them. Not because I was too famous. No, because they didn't respect me. But when, and it's the matter of time, I'm telling you, like, it's the matter of time. When we're gonna have too many followers, all these followers gonna receive only like what we've been telling before somewhere. That's it. That's my opinion. We need to cut everyone from the information. So if you are in the huge community, for example, 100,000 followers or millions of followers, for especially those who's like posting a lot of things in the Twitter, never do as they say. Never do. Because almost all of them are giving you twice recommendation. They like posting twice. They telling you, if the price will break that line, where is the chart? If the price will break that line, we'll go up. If the price will break that level, we're going down. How does it works? Then they gonna make reply on their message. If the price will go up, they said, I told you. If the price go down, they said, I told you. And they're gonna delete previous message. That's why we always posting inside the trading view, when you cannot delete your opinion, when you cannot delete your thoughts, your ideas. And you can check this all ideas. Like, I stopped doing this. The last, let's take a look. The last few was made. Let's take a look, like few of them. Yeah, I think it's fair enough to watch this. So that post was made 11 of March, when we're telling that the price will do something like that. I don't know what's like, we can read what I said here, but what price did? The price go up, you see, the price go up. Now we're expecting that the price go lower. Then the price will bounce back. Oh, so this is the crazy conspiracy theory about what Trump doing with the economic. Yeah, and you can read this theory here. Yeah, I remember that. I remember that. Why he's doing that? I remember that. Let's take a look at the another one. For example, like, this is the crazy theory. Why and what if the chart are repeating himself with that period of time? So we will see. We will see what's gonna happen next. We will see. I'm just posting that. Exactly the same thing with the Polonics. Buy here, sell here. Updated 8th of February. I just update the thoughts from 8th of August. You see, 8th of August, 4,000 people read that. That's not something that I can like edit or delete. There is no button to delete in this. Everything is here. Everything is here. So I just update it. Buy here, sell here, then buy here. How it works? You bought for the best price. I will show you again. When we post that, the price was $61,000. We said, nah, not now. Buy at the beginning of September. So the price from $61,000 moved to $53,000. It's fucking almost 20% discount. So people bought more. And then we said, sell here. That's how it's happening. Like you can check this information. And I love to do few things. I love to go. So we've been telling to people from January, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here. We've been giving people the dates when to buy in. And then we said like, okay, on the daily time frame, sell here because that price should probably go low. If you bought, I'm totally telling you that that was the best buying points for you. But we've been here with the dominance. So what we need to wait while the dominance will do that things. And remember, 3-4 weeks maximum. Maybe it's gonna be faster. Maybe it's gonna be like 2 weeks. So you need to just follow our non-financial advice and follow us to receive more additional information, because when you have that line, and that yellow line showing us that the Bitcoin dominance will probably do something like that. So it means that the Bitcoin dominance will do something like that. I'm gonna leave it here. Let's come back in a few months. We still have opportunity before summer and before autumn. We are in the middle of spring. This is like 4 or 5 months before that happened. So yes, I'm expecting that the Bitcoin dominance will go higher. Let's go further. Bitcoin CME futures. I'm just gonna say to you that we have the huge gap on $9,600 here. Yeah, and the gap should be closed, and we're gonna go on the other charts, and you're gonna receive more information from me, but I'm gonna leave it here. And the USDT dominance on the weekly time frame showing us that from the September on the weekly time frame, the USDT dominance will go low. But my friends, we always trying to catch the opinions about what exactly gonna happen. Yeah, we're trying to like think about it, what's gonna happen. We need to make decisions, but before that we need to think about what's happening right now. So if you're gonna understand me, and if you're gonna like try to catch my thoughts, if you're gonna like find the way to feel my vibe, like you listening to the music and you're like, yeah, I'm feeling that, like you're watching the movie and you're crying or you're laughing or whatever, like when you're gonna start to understand my style of trading, investments, analysis, this is gonna be the day when you're gonna like, fuck everything that I knew before. So what we're receiving here on the USDT dominance on the weekly time frame, that the dominance are turning around. What we're receiving here, again, we're receiving exactly the same thing. You see, this is the divergence. 2 cross, way more powerful than 1 triangle. But what does it mean? When our yellow line will reach that middle of channel, that divergence will work. So it means, like, take a look at this. You see these 2 divergences, we reach in the middle. What's happened from here till here? The USDT dominance go down. So go back in time, please, my friends, and take a look what's happened with the price of all crypto market from the end of October till the end of November. Do your own research. Just take a look. Like, we are waiting exactly the same thing. So we are waiting that the chart will repeat something like that. And if we're gonna reach that level here, I'm telling you that the price will go lower. But we still have that movement higher, yeah? So what should we do? What's gonna happen? In my opinion, guys, until May, we're gonna receive one more pump on the assets. One more pump on the assets before May. But it's gonna be the small pump. And I explain you why. They need to shake you out from the market. They need you, like, they sell you tickets on their Elon Musk rocket to the moon or on the Mars. And right now they're like trying to tell you like, hey guys, so our engines are like something wrong with them and we need to like check the whole system. And they like marinate you inside this rocket. They turning off the AC, they like turning off the Wi-Fi, and he was like, oh my god, it's like uncomfortable in this space costume. It's so hot here. So they shaking the market all the time. They putting price down, so you're gonna be fear. They putting the price up, so you're gonna be greedy. Like, for example, they given the announcement on the, like, so guys, unfortunately the rocket cannot go to the Mars, but we can offer you go to the moon. They put in price higher, and you're like, I'm gonna go to the moon. I'm enough with that. I spent too much time sitting in this rocket before we're gonna fly to the Mars. I'm gonna fly to the moon. Some of people will receive, for example, message or email. So right now you have opportunity to sell your ticket for the same price because we don't know when we're gonna go anywhere. So people fixing small profit, people selling their assets in the break-even price, people selling their assets in the small losses. For example, you pay with the credit card and you was paying for that APR for the months, for the half a year. Or you... So the girls invited me. Don't show, please. The girls on the TikTok want to talk about what? Thanks to everyone who's following us. Thanks to everyone who's liking us. Thanks to everyone like who's like supporting us. You are the best people. Those who's not doing this, no offense, like something terrible gonna happen to you. Like you will see. That's how it works. Something terrible for you, for your children, for your parents, like for your relatives. I don't know what exactly, but it's gonna be really bad. Like, you know, we're gonna talk about the biological structure of the body later. So they trying to shake you out from the rocket. They trying to give you small profit or huge losses. They trying to put you in the state of fear. They trying to put the small rocks in your shoes. They trying to put the sticks in your wheels. They trying to like just sell it. Enough. But we're still gonna have one more pump. Why? Because people need to see that it works, that everything is good, as it was in November, as it was in the March. Exactly the same thing is gonna happen. So they're gonna put the price higher. This last rocket will fly to the moon, not to the Mars. I truly believe that even to the Jupiter or to different other solar systems, like I don't care, the universe is huge. But after that we will drop. As I was telling to you on the TikTok, the end of the year, this is the end of the Bitcoin. We are going to the huge correction, and Bitcoin drops almost on the 40%. That's not the joke. This is your money. It's not something that you need to sell in the losses. No, find the way to scale your position. Find the way to buy more for the lowest price. Don't be fear. Don't feel fear. Don't be greedy. That's it. Try to understand. So what does it mean? That the price will go lower, and only after reaching the zero level here, middle of the ground. Where is the chart here? I don't have assistant today, but still. The price will go lower fast as here. If we're gonna break this level, I will show you. If we're gonna break this level, we're gonna go somewhere here. So in my opinion, the price will do something like that and gonna go lower. But that's when something terrible could happen. And I'm so excited to hear what they're gonna tell us at the end of 2026. They're gonna give us some kind of huge fear at the end of 2026, at the beginning of 2027, because they need to prevent people. What's happening? Okay, TikTok asking me to do that. I will do this. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks to everyone who's following. 53,000 likes. Let's check how many, how many or how much. How? Let's check how. I don't know how to be like many or much likes on the YouTube. 368. You are the perfect people. I'm deleting all the curses. Like, you are free, my friend. You are free. No curse on your family. You will get the perfect husband. Money will flow to your apartment. Money will flow to your pockets. No curse for you. Thanks God. Likes are likes. Thank you very much. That's what you need to give me. I'm like narcissistic person. I hate when people hate me. I love when people love me. If you hate me but you want to receive information, just like throw me the bone. Throw me the bone. And I was like, oh, yeah, on the face. Do that. Like, it's easy. Manipulate me. Put me in a state of like, yeah, they appreciate me. Who cares? Like, just make money. 1 hour. Sorry for such a long story. But as long as you say sorry, they will listen to your story. So, where is the chart? Here, chart. Thank you for your excellent effort. Yeah, I'm trying my best. I'm really trying my best. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. So yeah, in my opinion, here, before the end of 2025, we will receive something like, even if the dominance will be on the 2%, we will receive our rocket launching like, but after that, everything gonna drop, and they need to send the notification to people through media like, so guys, yeah, we were trying to make America great again, but something terrible happened, and they will tell what terrible happening. The Israel, the Ukraine, the Russia, the whatever whom did whatever what. Like Thanos came to our planet, on Earth, and like clap the fingers, and like half of people disappear. Like, who cares? We live in the fucking Hollywood. Like, every day is happening something like scripted. So they're gonna say us, but if the price will break that level, 3.7%, before the end of 2025, quit your job. Sell everything. If the price will be here, even here, like the same as it was in the March, the same as it was in the end of the year, sell everything. Okay, I will say like that. I'm gonna sell everything, as I did in the March, as I did in the end of November. That's it. When to buy? Somewhere here. When to buy? Somewhere here. I'm gonna leave it back here. Everything is filmed. Like, we're gonna go back and rewatch this. Total, exactly the same, guys. Those marks here since like the beginning of the Earth. You're gonna go find my profile in the trading view here, profile. Yeah, let's take a look, and let's go to the last page, and let's see. We need the total. Give me a second, please. Not last page. Let's go on the previous page. Where is the total? Please show me. I need assistant here, so he will find everything that I'm telling to people, and he was like, here it is. But we need to waste our time to talk about this, but it's fine with me. You can check all of these topics, all of these posts. I'm not doing this more often anymore because people not appreciate it, and I'm good with that. If people doesn't care about me, why should I care about them? I'm not the Jesus Christ. Like, the most funny thing, how did Jesus Christ found all these Slavic names in the Middle East? I don't know. I really don't know. Where is the total? Total, here it is, here it is, here it is. Total 2, total 3, and total 1. Enough, yeah? So the total 1, guys, that post was made September 4. When we said that here, like the total will be in the peak. So just sell it from September to February. From September to February. Like, what's happened? Everything goes up, everything goes down. No updates, nothing. Buy here, everything will go up. Let's take a look at the total 2. Sell here. Yeah, the total 2, we all understand how it works. So it's give us a little bit not so accurate things. But that post was made in September 4. Still way far away from now. So it's been selling, like it's been telling us that the price of the total 2, the whole market cap, will go up, then it will go down. I know how it works. It will go down before that, but nobody make the refresh of this forecast. And the last total 3 exactly the same. The price go up like it shows here, but then we miss the date from September. But if I'm gonna go back to the profile, no, please, no, don't do this. Give me a second, please, one more time. You need to always update something. So let's take a look. Where was the last? Maybe it was here, maybe it's not. No, I think it wasn't here. Yeah, I think it wasn't here. That's it. You can go and check, like, do your own research. That marks showing us down. Then we, from here, like, can I put the green mark here? Can I put the green mark here? But if I were you, I will look at that mark. I will look on that mark. Please, someone of my, like, perfect best followers, can you explain in the comments right now? I know this is gonna be like a little bit big message. Can you explain to those who's reading chat, what does that mean? If the yellow line in the bottom part of the chart of the channel and it's crossing the channel and going up and we're receiving that kind of confirmation, I will try to explain you here. So we are at the bottom, we're receiving that cross and then the yellow line going up. So what does it mean? Oh, like in the morning. Too many jokes about penises. Like, I need to check myself. Maybe I live too close to the West Hollywood. I don't know. I need to check myself. And no offense, I truly appreciate everyone, like, do whatever you want. But I live in a free country. I can make jokes, yeah, probably, about anyone. So, exactly the same are waiting here till here. Exactly the same things. Exactly the same things. So that's why I've been telling to people, buy, fucking March, fucking April, buy. Like it was in November, like it was in the previous January. I was in New York with the newspapers, I posting the photos, the stories, they're like, fucking buy everything, please. And then in March I was telling, like, selling. I sold. Yes, present perfect continuous. Thank you. Let's go further. Total 3, total 2. Sell here. I don't know why sell here was here, but still. And we have what? We have the confirmation that the price will pump. Just think about it. I will leave this mark here. Let's go further. We need to be more fast. Total 3. Everything excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're receiving that confirmation. We're receiving that confirmation. When we need to sell here, July. The end of July, plus minus like something like that. We need to sell then. Just again, guys, total. Take a look at this. We are receiving that bump here. That peak, that high here. The end of July. The end of, the beginning of August. The end of July. And the others showing us almost exactly the same. Almost exactly the same. But if I'm gonna put that line or even that line, all we need, I don't know why I can't see the, why it's like, what, How did I sit before? It's so uncomfortable for me right now. I put Botox in my forehead. Does it work? Yeah? No? The pimples are worked. Because I'm like, I'm always like that. Like, what you telling to me? Because I'm fucking angry about the people. But I drink my calm drops. Cheers to everyone. And I think you need to see me drunk. Yeah, you need to see me drunk. Once there's gonna be the drunk live stream. Okay, then we're gonna go to Solana, fast Solana. I think we missed that, but I will leave it here. I will leave it here. I think the Ethereum is the perfect. The Ethereum is the perfect because I still waiting Ethereum way lower than we've been before. I think that we're gonna drop as soon as possible to $1,500, and XRP the same. Buy here, sell here. This is the like. I don't know when this layout was here, but don't show for 10 minutes. Why people sending me some kind of offers? The gold is here. Let's talk about what we've been telling to people like previous days, previous months. And I'm gonna like tell you about my crazy conspiracy theory, which I said to the people a few days ago. So in my opinion, at the beginning or middle of April, we will be here. We will be lower than $81,000, but we will be higher than $75,000. That's my opinion. Till the mid of April, we probably could reach $60,000. But I will give you one but right now. Only if the price will drop to $75,000, only if the price will drop there. People are expecting to open long position. As we said to people before, guys, 10th of March and 28th of February. That's the dates when you need to buy. 28th of February, so on the video we've been telling 28 till 6 going up, from 6 till 10 going down, from that till that going up. That's what you need to do. Right now, everyone expecting price to $75,000 because there is liquidity, there is the gaps, there is like blah, 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 blah. So people think to catch the movement from $75,000 to $73,000. It means they're gonna put their stop losses lower than $73,000. If I were them, if I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm trying to open my position here and catch some kind of movement up. I'm gonna put my stop orders lower than $67,000, or even, my friends, I'm gonna put them lower than that low. If I'm gonna open daily time frame, but I'm not gonna open daily time frame. That's way than enough to talk about that. So that's line, stop losses of huge institutional traders and investors. So we have that line and that line. This is the stop orders of the huge institutional investors. Like, I don't know. Who will put their stop there? Those who bought something lower. Those who bought it in 2022, in 2023, or at the beginning of 2024. So try to catch these thoughts. If the price will go to the $75,000 or $73,000, everyone will expect bounce back. Yes, it will bounce back. So the price do something like that. We will go down to the 75, go lower to 73 because we need to catch all limit orders. We're gonna trade here so people will make their decision. We need to give people some kind of confirmation. Then the price will bounce back here we're gonna draw the structure, the bullish structure. After that, the price will go to the small correction, but not lower than the previous low. We're not gonna go lower than the previous low. We're gonna be like in the correction structure. And after that, people will open way more position. The price will drop to 67,000. Why? Because who will give you chance to make money? Who said to you that the market give a fuck about your position? Who said to you that if people, like if Donald Trump talking about Trump coin, the price of Trump coin should go up? Who said that if Elon Musk posting something, the price should go up? He posting it. For example, this video for the next week, probably 5,000-6,000 people will watch. That's why I'm telling you, there is community. And we're gonna cut everyone from the live streams. People will receive. So here's the video from our private channel, what we've been talking about. All this beautiful picture, this Antonio Banderas face will appear only in private group. That's it. That's how it will be. So everyone on the market should lose their money. This is the rule of the market. People are stupid, people are greedy, people are fear enough, people don't know what they are doing, people just trying to catch the profit without any knowledge and experience. So when the price will be here, that's when I'm telling you two other options. From here, we need to take a look again on the market because it could bounce back or it could go lower to catch other liquidity. It's not always about the liquidity because we have too much liquidity, higher than $109,000, like $4 billion or whatever. We can have less liquidity here, but it doesn't mean that the price wouldn't go lower. Sometimes it's easier to go lower to shake out everyone from the rocket and then bounce back, as we did it before too many times. So that's the zone when people gonna put their stop losses. And I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna delete it. Everything was here on the same chart months before today. Just go and visit our YouTube channel, watch all this previous video. I know that there is the new series of White Lotus today. I'm gonna watch it. I know that like something happening with the Paul, Jake Paul or whatever whom, like Mazal. I wanna say sorry. I know that something happening, but who cares about them? Try to care about yourself. Try to put you in the state when people calling you, like, because first of all, when you becoming rich, you becoming famous. When you becoming famous, you becoming more powerful, more rich person. When you becoming rich, people start calling you. When you poor as fuck, people receiving your calls, nobody calling you except your mom, people receiving your calls and they was like, yeah, what do you want from me? When you rich, people are calling you like, hey, Andrew, how are you? So yeah, when are you gonna be in my country? When, yeah. So basically I have a question. So yeah, I bought Ethereum for $4,000. Yeah, I know you said that. Yeah, I know I'm still, yeah. But maybe maybe he's in the tunnel. I will call him back. When you reach, everyone trying to reach you. When you poor, you're going on the from 9 till 6, 5 days in a week, sometimes 6 days in a week job. And I respect and appreciate everyone who's doing job. This is, for example, probably my job, yeah, but I'm doing this with passion. This is my fucking stand-up show. I'm doing jokes, I'm giving people some kind of information, I'm putting people in the state of thinking, laughing, and profit. That's it. Yes, I can go to the stand-up show of Matt Reef and I'm gonna laugh as a child. Yes, I can go on the Beyonce in the Sophie Stadium, Beyonce pay me for advertising, and I'm so glad, I'm gonna do like, I can do whatever I want because I have opportunity. I don't need to like save money for that. That's why I can do all this all the time, like thousands of dollars for all this gear. Because this is my sin. I'm performing for you. And I want you to follow us. I want you to appreciate it. I want you to stand up and applause. So, I need someone, how to say that? I need sponsor. Because then I'm gonna put something like that. Ba-ba. Pew, 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 pew. Yes, Trump here, yes. I'm gonna put the video and I'm gonna have the break for 30 seconds or whatever seconds. Like, I think I'm gonna go crazy with all these live streams, but I love what I'm doing. I love what I'm doing. This is my zone of comfort. So, going next. We're talking about what we talked about previously and what's gonna happen next. Bitcoin Polonix. Take a look at this. This yellow line and white line was here since the beginning of March, the middle of March. Go back in the previous live streams. Save your time on the Netflix, on the White Lotus, or whatever like video you're watching on the YouTube. Watch our live streams and you will see, oh, this guy really told people that that's gonna happen. So you will see the dates when I was drawing these lines. So yeah, I still truly believe that that's what's gonna happen. Bam, 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 down, up, down, up. I'm not gonna delete anything from here except that line, except nothing. Bitcoin dominance. I'm gonna delete that line. I'm still truly believe that we can reach 66-64% for the Bitcoin dominance. I'm not gonna leave it. Let it be. Going next, Bitcoin market cap. Who cares? Who cares? But my friends, this is what. Oh, I'm sorry for. Oh, let's come back here. Let's come back here. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. My mistake. My bad. So this white and yellow line was here weeks and months before it happens. Just go back and see how I draw it. When I'm putting that straight lines, this is the price. When I'm putting that lines, when I'm drawing that lines, this is the movement where and what price will do. When I'm putting the zone, it means that from that zone you can open short position or long position depending on. So the price will come back to this zone. So it means that you can open short position or fix your profit from there. Bitcoin dominance, exactly the same. I'm still expecting price to 64-66% of dominance. Bitcoin market cap. Hey guys, one more confirmation, please be patient. So from the beginning of April, the Bitcoin market cap will go where? Who? No. Who? You? Anthony. You want to go to toilet? Oh, okay. Julie.
I think that Bitcoin dominance will go up as far as we can see on the chart. So yeah.
Yes, Julie, sit down, please. I'm waiting for your 18 years old birthday. So yes, this is one more confirmation. You see that? You see that? I hope you see that. From TikTok, go visit YouTube and you will see that too. Bitcoin SME. Who cares? USDT dominance. So you can see everything that I was telling to you, weeks and months before it happened. When you see that kind of hieroglyphs on the Giza pyramids or inside of the cave, you were trying to understand what they was trying to tell you. Yeah, this people, they was like this. They have the same eyebrows and forehead. So I've been telling to you that the price will go down till the 1st of March. Then it will bounce back till the 6th of March. Then it will go down till the 10th of March. Then it will go up and nothing else. So can I delete that? Yes, thank you very much. It's already done. It's already worked fine. Perfect. Best. Thanks. We're gonna delete that. I think we're gonna delete everything. I'm gonna delete everything. I'm gonna move back that zone because we need to break through that zone with these USDT dominance. And as far as I said to you, on the different layout here, yeah, different layout, Bitcoin dominance. So exactly the same, but I'm gonna leave it on that layout because I don't know what layout I'm gonna use on the live stream, but they are all the same. Some of them I'm updating, some of them not. So take a look at this. What we have here, the 4-hour time frame should go up. Yeah, we see that. So it means that we will go up. I hope that we're not gonna reach that line and not gonna break through that line, but we're going up. And Sean Prince, I'm sorry, Sean Prince, turn off. I can turn it off like all the time. It was here on the TikTok. And you're not telling me this? Oh. So the price, the USDT dominance should go up. It means that the all market should go down. And after that from here, you see that from the beginning of April, the USDT dominance should go down. So we're gonna receive one more impulse, probably down, and then everything will turn around before 8th of April. Remember that, before. You see that? Fucking microphone. Can we do something with that? So, again, my friends, we're receiving that confirmation here, here, and here. It works opposite from the Bitcoin, not from Bitcoin dominance. It works opposite from the all price. If the USDT dominance are going up, all market going down. If the USDT dominance going down, all market going up. So, what do we see here? Again, I will try to explain you that. From the 1st of April, the USDT dominance will go down. It means that the whole market will go up till 8th of April, plus minus 1 day. From 8th of April, plus minus 1 day, the USDT dominance will go up. It means that the whole market will go down. And here on the USDT dominance, we're receiving fucking 13th of April. It means either it's gonna happen one more dip on 13th of April or on 16th of April. Why 16th of April? I will explain you. Because we have here 15 plus minus 1 day. This is the 15, this is the 14, this is the 16. You see that? That bottom. Plus minus 1 day. But we also have on the 11, 12. You see that 12, the mark is on the 12 and it calls dip. And I will explain you, we come back a little bit later to that. So here it is. I know that it's hard. I know that you want me to give you like the exquisite information to 2 seconds. I will do this in TikTok. I will do this. But I want you to understand how I feel that, how I see that, how the fucking algorithm show it. You need to absorb, accumulate, consume all information. Like you go into the grocery store, you collecting everything to your basket or to your cart, and then you coming back home and preparing the dishes. You understand me? You collecting all information and you're trying to like good. That's it. And after that, you're making your decisions because we're not giving any kind of financial advice. We're just like talking and talking. Hello, and today we have a guest from the North Carolina. So, Anthony, like I'm just talking. I'm so alone, I need to talk. Okay. I'm tired of myself, guys. I know, I'm tired of myself. You want to talk about the Ethereum, Solana, XRP, total 4-hour time frame. Guys, again, this is just the confirmation. This is just the fucking confirmation. So you will receive additional confirmation from our words. That's it. That's... No. You need to see that. So what the total one, all market cap shows us, from here, we are going up. Even if I'm not gonna leave that point, I'm gonna leave third point. And this is the time when we need to talk about the conspiracy theory. So what if, this is just some crazy thoughts, what if we have the dip, we have the dip till the 1st of April. What's gonna happen next? Everyone expecting for the next dip only just because the Trump like starting the economical wars with Canada, Mexico, China, Europe, like everyone expecting that from the 2nd of April the price will go lower. What the price will do? Who knows? Yes, Julie, yes. Everyone expecting that we're gonna go down. Not. We're gonna go up. But if I'm gonna go on the total for our time frame, take a look at this. From 31st till 1st, we are going up. Then we need to feed the pigs. We need to give people that kind of bullshit in their eyes. We need to like, yes, they're gonna thought that the price will go down. So there's gonna be small movement from 31st till 1st up, from 1st till 3rd down. That's the small movement. It could be huge, but in the meaning of from here till here, that's gonna be small. So in my opinion, it will be pump and dump. So where is this? From 31st till 1st, pump. From 1st till 2nd, dump. From 1st till pump. You know why? Because they need to trigger all your stop losses. That's it. All they need to do to give you false confirmation. We are going back to the Bitcoin. So the economical wars will start on the 2nd of April. Right now we're receiving some kind of FUD information in the media that Trump says that I was talking about this in the yesterday live stream for the private group, but I need to repeat it to you because I told them that we're gonna talk about this. So we have that FUD that Trump make offer to China to easy the rates, to easy the taxes for them if they're gonna sell the TikTok. Why? Because the 90-day of the TikTok from the inauguration of Trump, where the CEO of TikTok was invited, are coming to the end. So on the 5th of April, TikTok should be banned in United States. So it means that probably we're gonna receive some kind of news, and I'm gonna leave it here for reminder. On 2nd or 3rd of April, they will tell you, not me, I don't give a fuck about that, that China wants to sell, where is it? To seal, okay, sell TikTok. That's crazy conspiracy theory. Here it is. I put it here. I mean it, I said it, I'm here to represent it. Vote for Trump. Make America great again. So, Trump, here it is, yeah. After that, while we're receiving that, you see that movement, they're gonna tell us that we are easy the rates for China because they said that we're gonna make a deal. We wanna have a deal. So all of people who were expecting that the price will go lower, they're gonna fix the losses, they're gonna fix the liquidation, they're gonna like, fuck, again, where is this fucking Andrew? I need to follow him. So it means that the price will go up till the 6, 7, 8 or on 6 or 8 of April, they will tell you, not me, that China I hope I wrote it right, declined the offer of Mr. Beast, Mr. Who is, like, who care who is Mr. Mrs. Like, they declined the offer. And probably on exactly the same date or on the nearest Monday. Where is the Monday? But who cares about Monday? This is not about the market. This is about the TikTok. They will block TikTok again in the United States. So TikTok block. And the price from here will go down till 12 or 15. So that's the lines from yesterday live stream in the private group. That's exactly the same words which I was showing. What the fuck is that? I need to do the screenshot. Exactly the same words which I was posting and telling to people yesterday. I have the recordings. So on the 12th of April, we're gonna receive the dip, the huge dip, where they probably gonna tell, like, so the China cannot sell TikTok because this is the company which has their own owners, founders, CEOs, boarder, investors, wherever whom. And they're gonna tell probably. So we not agree with that. We not agree with the political pressure. We not agree with that. And we are giving some kind of our rules, our they like giving the A, B, C, D. We want that, we want that. I don't know how to translate it. Sorry for that. My brain can work only for 1 hour, 30 minutes talking and thinking in English. So they're gonna say, like, we didn't agree with that, we want that. On 15th of April, here, you see that line, white line? This is the last day to fill out and pay the taxes. So people will sell their assets. Who are fucking selling their assets to pay the tax? That's what they're saying to you. I want to see someone in my community, in this live stream, who's like, who will type me, yeah, I fixed the losses, I sell everything to pay my taxes. I want to see that person. So we received the one more dip on the 12th and 15th of April, from 12 till 15, if it's easy for you, when they're gonna tell us that the price are going down only just because the China doing something with the TikTok, and the people are selling, people are fixing the losses, or somebody fixing the profit since 2022, 2023, 2024, because they need to pay the taxes. And from that date, the price will bounce back again. That's why I'm telling you, in my opinion, March and April, this is the last frontier for buying. In my opinion, you should consider to buy anything. If not 28th of February, if not 10th of March, then 1st of April and 12th or 15th of April. Period. Put it in the wall, make some kind of notes, put notification. If you're gonna see the huge red candles on first few days of April and in the middle of April, one day they're gonna put me in jail for that. That's not insider information, that's the fucking algorithm which calculating what's gonna happen. That's not something like we tossing the coin. No, that's only one way how it's gonna work. We can miss a little bit. I'm, as a human, can buy earlier or sell earlier. But still, It's fucking works. And if you want to get access, just fill out the form in the description of the YouTube. No form for TikTok, no form for Telegram, nothing. If you want to get discount, fill out this form, and I will drop the managers in Telegram channel. This is the only two person who can reach you in Telegram and WhatsApp. Those who's texting you in TikTok, YouTube, whatever else, that's not me. I don't give a fuck about them. So that's my small theory. After that, we're moving further to Solana. Solana looking bad, Solana. Oh, I was giving that kind of line. We'd not reach that line. But how close we were? Like 30 cents? What? And people asking me about the accuracy? That's the fucking accuracy. Yeah, I'm sorry. Why? And by the way, guys, as we are here and you have time, I know, I will do this. I know, guys, I'm gonna turn off my beautiful, no, I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. You deserve to see me. I know. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna do that. Because I'm gonna... No. Hello. It's me. I'm sorry for those of you who are blind. You cannot see me. I'm gonna go to your city and you can touch my face. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm sorry. And another sorry to deaf people. Oh, you can hear me. But I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Like, I don't feel pity about these people. Never. Like, guys, this is not a joke. Never feel like these people, you should be proud of these people. That's my opinion. Never show them that you are like feeling bad about their issues with the life, with their like whatever. It's hard for me to explain myself, but if someone has special needs or something else, for example, like my haters, you should be proud of them. It's my opinion. A lot of people like know me only from these videos when I'm like talking bullshit or whatever. You don't know me. I'm donating too much money, too many fucking money to children, to soldiers in Ukraine, to older people, because I know it's hard for them to live there. I know it's hard to people even here. Sometimes I'm going to McDonald's or like buying some salads and going and giving this to the homeless people. Yes, it's their choice to be there, but not everyone had the choice not be there. So I'm not judging people, and I'm like, I can make any jokes about anyone. I can make a joke about anyone. I'm like the terrible person in the humor, in the good way, but I'm not trying to offend anyone. I think that it was like appropriated. Fucking stupid. Can you learn the English? I will one day, but not today. So don't feel sorry and don't feel like pity for that people. They are doing great. Go back, watch the Nick Vujicic and show to those people, like, if he can walk, he doesn't have legs, he doesn't have arms. If he can impregnate his woman, if he can swim, then shut the fuck up and find the way to do something, especially if you want something. That's my opinion. Our company doesn't have like doesn't have nothing with my opinion. That's only my opinion. Help to people, but not so much. If you have someone like your friend, your brother, your parents, like your grandparents, who's like just wanna chill and put the responsibility on your shoulders, and you understand that they are just manipulating you only just because you're close enough. We got the fuck out of here. So yeah, there is the lines. Oh no, here. There is the lines, and that's not the end. That's not the end. And if you're gonna see like 122.27 and the price go to 122.87, my bad. That's not the end, my friends. Yeah, I truly believe that the price of the Solana could reach $80 or $40 until the 12th of April. That's my opinion. But if I'm gonna go on the daily time frame, we are still in the upper trend. But you're gonna ask me why here is the alarm clock? Because on the weekly time frame, we have at the bottom on the September. That's where I should buy Solana on my spot portfolio. I don't have Solana at all right now, like zero Solana in my wallet, zero Ripple, zero like any other coins. But what we're gonna see, what we're gonna get, the price will go up till the May, then we're gonna go down. How we can catch the movement on the 4-hour time frame, where 4-hour time frame shows us. So like in my opinion, I need to call my friend. I think that the Solana will drop like really bad until 12. Maybe I should open, give me a second please. Maybe I should open the short position on the Solana. Not right now. It's when it's gonna happen. When it's gonna happen? Yeah, I can open short position right now. I will do this right now by market. Just to show you Solana. Market, I'm not putting too much. I'm trading on the cross margin. If something gonna go wrong, I'm gonna scale my position. But I opened the short position in Solana right now. So the price is 126. Ethereum, again and again, 12th of April. Remember that. If I were you, I'm gonna buy Solana there. I also show you the price range. So if we're gonna talk about the Ethereum, in my opinion, until 5th of April, we're gonna definitely reach that level from $1,600 to $1,500. Period. Ripple. On the previous live stream for the private groups, that was crazy. That was crazy. I was telling that the price will drop in that zone or even to that limit order. So we didn't. The low is 2.0607 and I was telling 0.56. So the difference is 0.01. I can delete that. I can delete almost everything. That line was for opening short position. But I was telling to people like, hey, if you want to open short position, open this in that zone. But if you want to open long position, open this in that zone or from that mark. So I'm going to delete that mark. I'm going to even delete that marks because I don't care about that anymore. I don't care about that because this is the girl asked me. So I opened the long position in the Ripple from that mark. That was some kind of analysis for her. So if we're talking about the Ripple, my friends, if we're gonna break through 1.9, we will go lower. Just remember that. But it's not gonna happen today. In my opinion, you see that here from today or tomorrow when the 4-hour trading model will be in the bottom. Those of you who's using algorithm, please just wait for that. Just put the notification. For example, what I'm gonna do, take a look at this. I'm gonna put that line here, and I'm gonna get notification when the price will cross safe. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get notification when the price will cross that on my mobile phone. So that's when I'm gonna open my long position. Or if you wanna like put some risk, just open your long position from something like $2 and $1.9. So I'm gonna put that mark here. And in my opinion, we will do that. And then we're gonna bounce back. Yes, till the 6th of April. So that's it. That's how it looks. That's how it should be. Either it's gonna happen today. And you know what? No, I'm not gonna open right now. I'm not gonna open right now. I'm gonna send the message to my friend. Because hey, first of all, I want to tell you that I'm waiting for turning around of 4-hour trading filter on the Ripple, and we can open long. And the second thing, if you are watching, I think that Solana could go lower. Yeah, that's my opinion. I was talking to my friend yesterday. He's holding 2 positions. I was like, do not open any kind of short position until we reach $83,000. We reached $83,000, and it was not really good signal because yes, there is. If you're gonna analyze the chart with the help of the smart money price action strategy or like technical analysis, it shows us that the price should go to $91,000. The first will be $88,000, the second $91,000. It could happen. It could happen. My friend, I will come back to you a little bit later after live stream, and I will tell you what I'm thinking about your position on Solana. But the Bitcoin affecting the price of all crypto markets so badly, so we will gonna go lower till first. It doesn't mean that you need to open your short position. You should open them since 28th of March. Right now we should find the long position. How and when I'm gonna find them and why I'm gonna open them, I already explained you, because all the metrics shows me that from the beginning of April we are bouncing back. So it's gonna be the swing trade for 1 week period of time, but I need to wait until that indicator will be lower. It doesn't mean that I will catch the perfect position, but still, all I need to wait is for that moment. You see on the 1 hour time frame, we are already at the bottom. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna open this position right now. I'm not gonna open this position right now. What should I take a look again? Let's take a look, because I want to clear the chart. This is the fucking cleaning live stream. So we've been telling you on the live stream from the 23rd of February that the price will go down. Yeah, then we said to you, buy here. So how can I delete that? Okay, so can I delete this line from the previous live streams? Yes, I can. I know. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. Can I delete this mark that buy here? Because for the next couple of days, we will see that kind of movement. And then we're going to go back again. So it's my opinion. That's just drawing the movement from here. From tomorrow, we're going to go up. Then we're going to go down. Then we're going to go up again. So that's what our filter shows. That's when you need to open or close your position. That's what I'm like thinking. I'm not telling you that tomorrow, Monday, will be bullish as fuck. We need to go in the lower time frame. But I'm telling you that we will go to the correction of that moment. Then we're gonna go lower, depending on where we're gonna finish our correction movement. Here, if we're gonna stay here, then it means that we need to go, like, if we're gonna draw something like that, that means that we need to go lower than that low. Where are we gonna go? Here. Like here, literally. That's the price movement. So it means that the price will do something like that. If we're not gonna stay here and we're gonna go higher than that high, if we're gonna go higher than that high and we will fix here, then we're gonna go to the correction somewhere here, and from here we're gonna go up here. There is no such a thing that we're gonna go that way or that way. I'm showing you that I need to see how the 4-hour and daily candle will close in tomorrow day to make my decision, but I'm still telling you that the price will go up because something like that. We will see. We will see. The Nasdaq. Let's clear the chart. Those of you who's asking me how it works with the, oh my God. I'm gonna clear that. I'm gonna clear that. I'm gonna clear even that line. I'm gonna clear that line. Just go 21st, 23rd of February. That's what I was talking about. So buy here, sell here. Buy works, sell works not so good, but guys, to find the best point for selling, you need to have that fucking algorithm. So if I'm giving you the lines on the forecast, it's mean when we need to buy or sell. How exactly we need to do that? So we need to buy exactly here and sell exactly here. Sell on top, buy on bottom. So if you bought here, where you need to sell it, either here or you have that movement. So buy here, sell here. If you bought here, then you need to sell here. Yes, this is not the not the top of the top. Go watch previous video. You will hear exactly the same thing. Buying on the top, buying on the bottom, selling on the top. If we have that movement, so what does this mean? What does it mean? That the Nasdaq will go lower. This is today. We will go. We will do something like, in my opinion. And only after that. Why these lines are yellow? How can I read them? Like it looks. Okay, then we need to do something like that. Yes, I think yes. And after that, we will bounce back. Where we can drop easy. This low, put the line here, my friend. And that low. Easy, something like that. I will put even the zone here. I will put the zone. And I don't give a fuck about the Nasdaq price because I'm not investing. I'm not investing right now in the stock market. You want to know why? You want to know why? I will explain you. If we're going to go on the S&P, for example, on the weekly time frame, what do we see here? What do we see here? Oh my God, my friends. I don't even know when I put that line yellow here. But what we see here, that the price will go down till the summer 2026, till the end of summer 2026. When should I invest? 2026. Easy peasy. Bonsoir. Comment allez-vous? Je m'appelle André. 89. I remember the number of my school in French. I was learning French for 10 years, but I was never trying to talk in French except when I was traveling to Paris. I was like, oui, si, comme ci, comme ça. Jean Reno? Like, it's not a joke. I was learning French for 10 years. But unfortunately, where is my water? Here is the drops of Valeriana. So Nasdaq showing us the same picture on the weekly time frame. Why should I invest? Why should I care about that? If I want to open the trade, I will open the trade. If I want to put the call or puts, I will do this, but I don't doing this. I'm not doing this right now. I will wait. So let's come back on the 4-hour time frame and let's see what Tesla shows us, because too many people was asking us, hey, this is the daily time frame. I already delete the mark which was here. I already delete the mark on the 4-hour time frame. Just go back in the previous video and I'm gonna delete that mark. I'm gonna delete that yellow mark. Yes, I'm sorry, we didn't reach 193, but I was talking to people. I was telling to people that the price will bounce back, and the price will bounce back. It was before till the end of the May, but right now you see it's recalculate, it's till the beginning of May. But you see the daily time frame. I will show you the daily time frame. When you looking at the daily time frame, all you need to do, hey guys, what I was telling you, I don't care about the Tesla. I'm not watching the Tesla. I don't care what Elon Musk did or gonna do in the next previous years. We know what's gonna happen with the price. So what do you need to do? Buy the lower part, buy the lower part, buy the lower part, buy the lower part. Sell here, sell here. So please tell me what's gonna happen with the Tesla in the next few days.
No, please. Elon Musk said that the price will go up. I trust him.
He posted the scotch twice. So when we have that bottom on the daily time frame, when we need to buy here, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. I'm not doing this for you all the time. I'm not sending you notification. There is the dude who's texted me. So what's next? What's next? You go into the ATM, you put in the money on your bank account and you sending me money if you need some kind of additional information. That's what's next. Like today I was talking to the guy who was like literally walking with his kids, and he sent me the voice message in Instagram. I will explain you. Too many people texting me everywhere. And if I'm opening the message and I see like, hi, how are you? I will skip that message. If you want to reach me out for any questions, write exactly your questions. If it fits me, if I want to talk to you, I will answer you. So this guy was texting me, was sending me the comments in the Instagram. He speaks a little bit Russian, so he translated or he typed the Russian. And he was like, how can I reach you out? I was like, in the comments or in the DM. He was like, I text you in DM, please answer. I'm going to Instagram DMs and there was like, hey, how are you? I was like, what the fuck is that? Okay. Probably he want to say something like huge to me. I was like, I'm good, thank you. What do you want? He's like, voice message, 2 minutes. He's walking around with his, I think, daughter. He's like, so I'm a simple guy from the simple family. I really appreciate what you're doing. No offense. I'm not telling your name. I'm not showing your face. So I really appreciate what you're doing for people for free. But can you give me some kind of signals so I will make money and then I will send you part of my profit? You know how it hurts for me? You know how it's like, how I feel that? Can we sign the paper when your daughter will be 18 years old? She will be my wife? Exactly the same. How you feel about that? Like, can you give me something now? I will make profit and I will like pay you back. And I told him like, hey, I'm the same simple guy. I'm just thinking more than you. I'm just wasting my time doing this fucking content for you. You appreciate that. You pressing the, there is the guy who's like, hey, I like your video. Can you give me advice? You know how I feel about that? You stabbed my mother and you said sorry. That's not my job to talk here. And that's not your job to press likes. But if you want me to be here, you need to press likes. That's how it works in my head. So I'm the same simple guy who has like additional information from the space, from the... Okay, I got you. My girlfriend just sent me the notification in my brain. We're using the Starlink. So I'm doing the same things. I'm like the simple as fuck. You cannot find more simple person as I am. But I'm not asking you to build, for example, to do some kind of home cleaning or whatever, like everyone doing their job in this life. I don't remember that I wrote to any one of you and asked you to cook me, clean my house, fix my car, build my house or whatever. Like what are you doing? Like, hey, can you drive me to the Los Angeles airport? Hey, can I stay in your apartment? And thanks to everyone who's inviting us to your country, to your city. We appreciate that. But guys, everything has the price. This is priceless. $0. There is even no donation link. If you want to donate to Ukrainian children, donate to Pakistan children, donate to Israeli children, donate to Egypt children, donate to United States children. Just make donations. Don't do this for me. Too many people like, hey, can I donate? I really appreciate it because there is people who send in money and we donate them to children. We donate them. Sometimes I'm dropping some kind of link for the soldiers, for my friends who's like fighting there. Not for me, not for my country, for their country, for their families. I'm good. I don't want to live in Ukraine. And again, that's only my opinion. I'm an honest person. I don't want to like lie in the face of people. But if you want to make the nation, then donate it. Who cares? There is too many poor people in the world who's like really in need. So please stop texting me that kind of message when you like, so we good? Can you help me? Yes, I can, but I won't. There is the guy from Romania who's like texting me for a couple of days and like, so what's inside of this algorithm? I want to understand. As I said to my followers in the private group, the angle of my boner. That's it. I wake up, I like measure my, 36 degrees. Today we're gonna go up. That's it. Stop it. I'm not here to text you, like to give you notification about something, what's happening. That's happening in the private group. This is the free for all. Thank you. You're welcome. So that's where you should buy. But that was here, and I'm telling you, if you even gonna buy it right now, so you don't have this filter, you're not gonna wait something, the price will go up till the end of May. So that's on the daily. Where is the daily sell? That's on the 4 hour. That's it. This is the 4 hour, this is the daily. That's how it works. Oh no, sometimes I'm doing mistakes. Sometimes I'm doing mistakes. So that's how it works. It works with any assets, with any time frame. NVIDIA. Show me please. So can I delete this line? Yes, you can. Can I delete that buying line? Take a look at this. Like here was the buying line. Where you need to buy here, especially when the cross appears, I'm gonna delete that line. I'm gonna delete that line because even from that point, the price go up. Can I delete that line, please? And by the way, I was given the horizontal line that the price will reach $102, but we reach only $104. I'm sorry for that, guys. You were expecting to buy for $102 and my bad. Thanks God you didn't buy it for $140, but still, like, my bad. Sorry, guys. I didn't want to do this for you. But then again, like, that was week ago or 2 weeks ago. We need to refresh it and either say here, sell here or here, like exactly the same. That's what I was expecting. And right now, from tomorrow, the price will go up. So I'm gonna delete that line because you need always update something. People thinking that, so I built that house and it's gonna stand here for the next century. You not build the castle. Even castle could go down to the river or to the ocean, to the sea. You build fucking house. There is the earthquake right now in the Thailand. No, nothing I'm trying to translate. Sorry for that. Like from now on, the whole live stream will be like fucked up. Nothing constant. Yes. So you need to always update. If you're willing to invest in Nvidia, if you're willing to trade Nvidia, then update. If not, go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame shows us that the price will go lower. Will go lower. That's it. Choose the time frame and trade the time frame. Where you need to sell on the daily time frame? Here. The weekly time frame, the same. I'm trying to show you only, guys, only 4 hour time frame. Can I delete this line, please? Can I? Thank you very much. Can I delete that one? That's the movement. From here, the price will do something like, take a look at this, up, down, up, down. What the price did? Up, down, up, down. This is the movement. You didn't see any horizontal line here. I don't give a fuck about Netflix. I'm watching Netflix, but I'm not investing in Netflix because why? Backwards. Because Nasdaq and S&P will go lower. That's when I'm gonna invest. If I want to invest in Netflix, I'm opening the weekly time frame and I'm taking a look at this. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna fucking call the Warren Buffett and say to him, hey, are you buying? Because I'm buying. So can I delete that? Can I delete that, please? Thank you. Can I delete that line? Can I delete that line? Because take a look at this. That's what I was thinking. I was showing people like in the previous live stream where we was here, guys, we've been here. I was showing we need to wait until that line will do that movement and then we're gonna buy here. What that movement did? Here. So it's still not the best buying point right now. So if we're gonna put that mark here and you skip that movement, guys, always buy the bottom, buy the bottom, buy the bottom. Where is the bottom? Right now is the bottom almost for every assets. But then wait until that yellow line. If you want to buy, wait until we turn it around from the bottom. If you want to sell, wait until we turn it around from the top. Want to sell? Sell here. Want to buy? Buy here. Easy. Like, for example, girls has way more easy way to do that. Guys has only one way. So we're doing like that. We're not doing like that. You understand that? Girls can do like whatever like they doing. You understand that? We can drive car there in front. We can drive back. We cannot move our car right or left. We need to turn the car there. Yes, I know that there is like some kind of like amphibia cars or whatever. Something works only one way. So when I'm showing you buy here, sell here, it means if you bought here and you sell here, and then you bought back here and sell here, you will understand what's gonna happen when you're gonna buy, when that yellow line will turn around. So you bought here, you sell here. Unfortunately, this is not the biggest movement, but this 4%. Then you are selling here and buying here. This is 14% movement down. This is 13% movement up. And then you're selling here and waiting for some kind of movement. I'm not buying Netflix. I'm not investing in Netflix. I don't care about Netflix. Who cares about Netflix? That's good. By the way, I have the cheapest Netflix subscription with the ads. Yeah. And I'm not paying for this. My girlfriend paid for Netflix subscription. That's why we have cheap subscription. So yeah, let's gonna take a look at the Microsoft. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This is the movement. You don't see anything which could affect something like the price. when I'm drawing that, it means like how the price will... Fuck, I'm tired. I need to finish that. 2 hours, come on, guys. And exactly the same. Here's what I was showing to people. Like, you need to wait while the price will be here. And take a look at this. The price is here. The price is here. So right now we're gonna buy somewhere here. So it means that the price will go up. I'm gonna delete that mark because I'm trying to fix everything. If you saw that red line here, when you need to sell, when the price are here. So that shows us when, from where to where the price will go. Too many people asking about the signals, about calls, about something like that. No, we're not giving calls. You need to have that yellow line, which shows when exactly sell, buy. So when that yellow line will turn around here, that's when you need to buy Microsoft. When you need to sell it on the 4-hour time frame, somewhere at the end of April. This is not financial advice, my friends. This is not. No, no, no. No capisco. Certo queste. Meta platformo. So, as far as the giorni, abitato mai di farciunichi, la piscina, bella donna and cappuccino. So, can I delete this line, please? You don't mind if I delete this line? I think you don't mind. So, what this line shows to people, that the price will go up, then down, up, then down. Okay. Oh, no, come back. No, Meta. Can I delete this? Yes. Can I delete this? Yes. Where you need to buy? Either you buy in here, here, or here. So you buy in here, here, here. What price doing? Going up, going up, going up. Where are you selling? Turn around, turn around, turn around. That's easy. But you need to stay in front of the chart. If I'm going to stay in front of the chart, I'm going to be crazy. Like, you see what's happening with me? Like, a little bit. That's it. That's it, my friends. So, when we're going to buy Meta, when we're going to need to buy Meta, oh, here it is. You see that? You see that lines? 555 and 515. That lines was here since the February 2020, from 23rd of February. Go back on the live stream, like months ago, 6 weeks ago. I will show you. El Caro, it's me. Why El Caro? Because backwards it's Oracle. Because in Spanish it's expensive. 6 weeks. I think that's one. By the way, that is the favorite pattern of my followers. What we are looking at, Meta, Ton, Tesla. You can go back and watch like the end of the live stream. SPX. Where's the Meta? Nvidia, Microsoft. Back. Meta. So that's how it was. I don't know if the sound will be. Give me a second. April and 5th of May. The price, what will do the price right now? It will bounce back here and go down. That's it. It will bounce back and will go down. Just go and watch. That's it. Everything that you need to do. Price bounce back, go down. And then I put these marks, like, yeah, I'm pretty sure that the price will be there until 4th of April. I'm pretty sure that the price will be here. Like, exactly the same. Can I delete Amazon, please? I'm begging you, please. Can I clear the chart, please? Okay, can I clear this one? Not right now, but sell here, buy here. Hello, Mr. Bezos? Do you want me to tell you when the price will go up or down? Yes? No? Okay. So what it shows us? Sell here, yeah? It shows us sell here. When you need to sell that? I'm sorry, I'm not watching the stock market. Here. Why here? Who? You? Julie? You? You don't know? Here. When you need to buy, either you are waiting until the price will do and you're gonna buy here, here, and here. Every turning around point, buying here, buying here, buying here. Depends. You wanna trade? Then trade. You wanna invest? Go on the higher time frame. When I'm gonna buy Amazon? Who knows? Like, let's take a look. What's gonna happen with Amazon? Why it's gonna happen with Amazon? Because there is gonna be fucking market crash. There's gonna be the fucking crisis in the world. Remember that. 2026 and 2027, like, finish. That's why I'm talking to people, like, we're gonna respect only those who are inside of our community right now. You can say this is the market strategy. You can say like, oh, you are joking. You're never gonna leave us. Why? If that's gonna work, so I'm gonna wait for 2 more years. If that's gonna work, I'm gonna fucking change, not my name, my face. I'm gonna become the lady boy in Bangkok. Wanna tiki? Pay money, because probably I'm gonna be wrong and everything's gonna go opposite way. The Ripple will go to $60,000. The Solana will cost $1,000, and everyone will be like popping and dropping, chipping and copping and poco. No, there's gonna be one more pump. That's it. Finish. Shut down the lights. And the last one will be Apple. So if we're gonna talk about Apple, that line was here before. That wasn't 1 month ago. It was 6 weeks ago. It was 21st or 23rd of February. Where we can find, what date is it today? Where we can find. You're gonna find it somewhere there, like, I don't care. Please go and watch, try to catch this. Apple. So we delete the sell mark. I'm deleting it. Who needs that? Who needs that? What's gonna happen with the price? Guys, tell me. This mark point was here since last month. Where do you need to buy? Here. Yes, sorry for that. Sorry. Again, I'm gonna say sorry as much as you need. I'm gonna say sorry, like, oh, so you missed this movement because, my bad. There was the guy. People in TikTok, they give me 76,000 likes. Those of you who still watching me here, like, and if you didn't like my video, I have a big question to you. I'm gonna check it. Like, literally right now, 240%. No, we almost have 500 likes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Just send in crypto. Highly recommended getting into this private group. Very knowledgeable and opens up your eyes to the world and the manipulation that's going around. Can I show this message? Here. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's really the best review. Don't buy it on spot yet. Artyom, that's right. XRP. You want to see XRP? I already did it. Best weatherman in the States. Just watching it and trading. Okay, I'm not going to read it. Sorry for that. Because I need to finish it before my laptop die, and I need to go to the Rodeo Drive. So the Apple. When to buy here, when to sell here, when to buy next, somewhere here in the middle of April. But when exactly, my friends? When that line will be here. So you will buy here, you will buy here, you will buy here, you will buy here. That's how it works. That's how it works, my friends. So exactly the date is a little bit like middle of April. If you want to know more, you can go on the highlight time frame. If you want to know less, you can, oh, sorry for that. Sorry for that. Again, so we have that mark here in the middle of April, but when exactly we need to buy? When the yellow line will be in the bottom and start to turn around. So here, it could be something like that. It could be something like that. It could be something like that. By here, 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 here. That's it. That's how it works. Hey guys, I want to say thank you to everyone. I'm a little bit tired. I said to you everything that I should to say. I'm not gonna go through the altcoins. Sorry for that. Enough. Enough is enough for today. But I was doing the live stream in the private group for people who's respecting us, for people who's like appreciate our time. I'm telling to everyone thank you. I'm not the bad person, but the bad person would say that. Think about it. This is the manipulation. Yes, my forehead is still active, but in the next few days I'm gonna be like, I'm smiling. I'm not bad person, but I'm honest person. And sometimes honesty is hurting so much. Because I don't give a fuck if somebody don't like me or don't love me or somebody offensive. Like, okay, meet me on the street, like punch me in the face. That's it. I'm trying to show you a little bit more. Something that I realized in 18 years. And I'm not a billionaire, my friends. I cannot become a billionaire right now because I'm too afraid of myself. I'm making the best analysis, but I'm still making mistakes when I'm trading, when I'm investing, because I'm learning. I'm not putting myself like I'm a king of the trading or whatever. I know that I'm smarter than someone, but it's impossible to be smarter than 200-year system which start building since the Civil War, since they canceled the slavery here. I'm fucking was born in the Ukraine. I had magistrate degree for automated systems. I need to like type the code. So when you fly into different country, your baggage appearing on the baggage line. Like I was learning for 5 years for the stupid things in my life. And I cannot cancel this education because if I cancel this in Ukraine, I need to go to army. I don't want to go to army. For what? For what? For whom? For those who's not like giving me anything. We don't have medicine. We don't have education. We don't have law. We don't have police. We don't have police. We don't have nothing in Ukraine. You becoming rich, they trying to take everything back from you. You becoming popular, they trying to put you in the box where you need to say only that's what they want you to say. Fuck off to everyone. If I'm meant to live 10 more years, I will live 10 more years proudly with the head like that. I'm gonna take a look on every person in this world the same as they are looking at me. But my first sign will be, hey, how are you? I'm Andrew, nice to meet you. If somebody show me disrespect, I don't care what time of period you have with your hormones, or either you 16 years old girl or 85 years old grown old man. I don't give a fuck about that. What you giving is what you expecting from me back. That's why I'm giving my whole respect to people from the beginning. I'm not the person who's judging people for their clothes, for their thoughts, for their wall in the Facebook or Twitter. I'm judging people for their thoughts, for their words, for their acts in my way. I don't give a fuck who did what to somebody. I'm care about myself, about my family. And when your achievements became too high for your family, you start giving it to people. We are here to give you information. We're not right all the time. We're not perfect. We're not trying to show you like, hey, zero mistakes. No, the algorithm works perfectly. Sometimes I'm doing mistakes. Sometimes I'm greedy. Sometimes I'm fierce. Sometimes I'm like, I'm just fucking human. Where is the song? I'm only human. Like, Sometimes I'm arguing with my girlfriend. Sometimes I have problem with my parents back in Ukraine. Sometimes I'm fear about them and I'm trying to put them out from Ukraine. Sometimes people text me from Ukraine, hey, you motherfucker, you're doing this for people in English. Why you not doing this for Ukrainians? I'm receiving like thousands of messages every day, and people don't give a fuck about like, this is my space. This is my private space. If you have opportunity to text me, you have only one message. Guys, the Instagram wouldn't allow you to text me twice. The TikTok wouldn't allow you to text me twice. That's how the algorithm works. So don't waste your chance to text me once. I'm not here to talk to you. You here to watch and hear what I'm saying, what I'm thinking. I'm not trying to be Messiah. I'm not fucking Moses. Mazal! No. And yes, I understand him why he did this mistake, who's in that news. I understand him. I can do the same mistake and I will apologize in front of the people. But I'm trying to be honest. If I'm doing mistakes, I'm not waiting when the people point in my mistakes. I'm telling them, hey guys, the gold. Yesterday, I was doing the same live stream for the private channel. And I said, hey guys, gold, my bad. I was thinking that the price will go lower. But let's take a look what's going to happen with the price in the middle of May. That's it. I'm not asking anything except support, respect, and love. Everything else, we delivered. If people asking to give them some kind of information about Ripple, Pepper, or whatever coin, ask it with respect. I'm not fucking counter. I'm not fucking that Mac drive. What kind of burger do you want? Yeah. So you asking for Diet Coke or regular Coke? I want Coke. Fuck off, everyone. Like, only one mistake in my way, that's it. I don't care either you're billionaire, son of trillionaire, or you Elon Musk. I respect myself. Take a look at this, like how I show myself. You think that I will like, oh my God, please text me, please. Fill out this form. I don't give a fuck about this form. This is for you, not for me. This is for our team. This is for development, because I truly believe those what I'm doing here in the YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, those what we are showing to people. One day, either we're gonna get too much problem on ourselves, no matter in what country we're gonna be, or we're gonna be as huge as fuck. And I'm gonna appreciate, I'm gonna make a calls. I'm gonna talk only for those who was with us from the beginning and who was respectful. Because I want to tell you what's happening right now in Ukraine. I've been doing this since 2016. Since 2016. I start my journey in currency exchange in 2013. My first business was opened in 2012. This was the small bar in the middle of the city, in the middle of the capital of Ukraine, Kyiv. The Euro 2012 was in Ukraine, so I opened the bar with my friend. Then I opened currency exchange. Since 2014, we start selling Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin for people. I'm not investing in the Bitcoin. In 2016, I bought my first Ethereum. In 2016, I bought my first mining farms. And I start mining Ethereum. That's when my life was changed. Just go swipe my main Instagram with the check mark. Swipe my YouTube channel and take a look how this guy was building his wealth and why right now I don't give a fuck about anything in this world. Yeah, I have my own problem with my back, with my brain, with like whatever else, with my car, with my apartment building. We are all living the same life, but with different amount of zero in our check or banking account. We have the same problem. Nothing special in you and nothing special in me. We are the same. Different eye color, different height, different weight, different names, but we are the same. Remember, your grandfather, your grandmother, your parents been telling you what's gonna happen with this girl. What's gonna happen if you're gonna like go with these people and doing these things that they are offering to you. because they already been there where you right now. That's why you right now telling to your children exactly the same things. And your children looking at you like, hey dude, you don't give a fuck and you don't know nothing in this life. Shut the fuck up. So the life always works the same for the people. No matter if you live in the 19th century, 21st century, or in the next century. Only location are changing, the food naming, the car driving by themselves, but they still driving the same roads. I'm not telling that I'm like the most experienced person in the world. I'm still doing mistakes. And today I could be in the worst position in my life. And tomorrow, if something gonna happen like COVID or war in my country again, if something gonna happen here, I will lose everything and I will rebuild that. You know why? Because I'm not fucking crying. I'm taking my shit together and start doing again and again. That's why I'm not afraid of anything. If there's somebody gonna block me, if there's somebody gonna like put me in the jail, I'm gonna fix the problem when the problem will appear. But before that, I'm gonna think in the future, like in the chess match, in the chess game. I wanna know when and who gonna fuck me up. I wanna know when I'm gonna like, if it's winter outside and there is the ice on the road, what's gonna happen if I'm gonna stay on this ice? I'm trying to think before I did something. I'm trying to think, not always before I'm saying something, because my tongue is my biggest problem, because I don't have boundaries in my brains. I don't care about if that's true. I'm gonna say the truth, even if it affects me, my family, or whatever. This is the fucking truth. Like, I need to say that because I'm gonna leave it inside of me and it's gonna affect my nervous system or whatever. Think about it. At the end of each live stream, I'm giving that kind of speech because I appreciate you. And I truly believe that there is young people and there is like other people, no matter your age, no matter your sex, no matter your education, no matter from what country you're watching me. I'm here to give you a little bit more motivation, a little bit more than, so we are in the point A and we want to be in the point B. Go clear your closet. No. Yes, the mental, the meditation, the health, the physical, the everything works. Everything in this life works. I truly believe in karma. I truly believe when I'm helping to people, it's coming back to me way more than I'm giving to people. Because I have courage to tell to thousands of people my opinion. And if I tell in something, I'm always says, hey guys, I truly believe and I wish that I was wrong. I don't want that the market will go down. I want to the moon. Like, I have my money in the market. I have USDT, I have cash, I have my checking account, money from the business floating to my account so I can put them anywhere. I want to be wrong. I want to be wrong because I'm on the half of my portfolio in the altcoins. Zero stocks. Zero stocks. I sold all my stocks in summer 2024. I sold everything because I was thinking like, okay, what's going to happen next? If I see that the bottom is there, I'm not going to try to catch this small movement, even if it was the biggest movement in the history of the stock market. I choose for myself, okay, I will concentrate on the crypto market. If I'm going to be wrong, I will stay in the middle of any city and I will say, hey guys, I was wrong. You want to punch me in the face? Punch me in the face. You want to throw the tomato in me? Like, throw the tomato. What's going to happen? I can show like my portfolio. I can show the, like, this is the order. The order was filled. I bought, I sell. If I'm telling something, that means that I'm doing the same things. That's how I was raised by my father. If you're fucking mouse telling something, and especially if you're giving some kind of promises, you should fucking do that. That's my religion. My Ukrainian channel, my last Ukrainian channel, I call them True Religion because I'm trying to be honest in front of myself. I don't want to look in the mirror or watch that same video with my face and understand that I'm lying to myself. That's it. I'm a terrible person, the same as you. We all terrible persons. But I'm not fucking thank you for the money. Thank you for the money. I'm not fucking doing that shit. I'm not dancing. I'm not cooking. I'm not laughing. Even if I'm joking, I'm trying to be inside your brain because I know how to be inside the brain of the women's. I know that they are different and the man could manipulate you the same as the woman can manipulate the man. The time when the men start thinking that, yeah, I fixed that woman, I fixed that, she will do everything that I want. That's the time when the other man will be inside of this woman. This is the life. This is not easy to live life. And the next 2 years will be the worst year in your life if you're not gonna think about the future of your family, of your portfolio, of your investments, of your saving. If you live in the credit right now, just fucking cut this credit card. Try to live check by check, but not in credit. Try to solve your problems before they're gonna tell you on the news. I don't know, like when it's gonna be, like the 1st of April. I have, give me a second, please. I think the 1st of April. So the 1st of April, 4th of April, non-farm payrolls. 4th of April, average hourly earnings, labor force participation, unemployment rate. You want to be in the fucking list of unemployment? You working on the salary day by day, week by week, month by month, like, oh my God, maybe in this new year they will give me the promotion or something like that. Think about yourself, think about your family, think about your children, not about the children of someone on whom you works. If you had the perfect diploma, if you have the perfect, like, all grades from school till university, you was like doing great. You finished the Yale or whatever else, and you right now working without happy ending in the end of the day, week, and months. Came to the office of your boss and said, hey, I want to be the partner. Just try to come back home and analyze what's going to happen with this business without you. And why they telling you that they appreciate you, but they don't paying you as much. When I'm working with someone, I'm paying them not salary, I'm paying them percent. Someone receiving 80%, someone receiving 10%. But I'm showing them my respect. And I'm showing them that only from your work, from your effort, our success, only your, like, how you work affects your success. Those of who like texting me, hey, can I receive like $200 per month? Because in Ukraine, like people receiving $200 per month. My mom, she's a pensioner. She's receiving $50 pension. My dad is a pensioner, but he chosen to work further. He worked in United Nations. He helped people to came out from the war zone. This is his right. He chose that way. I respect that, I appreciate that. And every time when he's going to the city, when the missile and rocket attack was like literally right now, I'm afraid on him. But he is a grown-up man. If something gonna happen, this is his responsibility. Yes, I'm gonna cry. Yes, I'm gonna miss him. Yes, I'm gonna, like, I don't know what to do with my mother. But this is his responsibility and he's choosing that. Think about it. We all have to whom help. And when you texted me, hey, can you help me? Like, what the fuck? Like, why should I? You're not inviting me on the coffee. Like, you saw this guy, the old guy who came to the Starbucks and he said, attention, please. I'm giving you a chance to buy me a coffee and I will spend 1 hour. I'm going to go right now on the Rodeo Drive and I'm going to go to the Starbucks store and I'll say the same things. And I'm gonna sit with you, I'm gonna talk about the market because I don't give a fuck about the market. I can stop working today. I will put my money in the saving account or I'm gonna live on the dividends from my assets. That's it. But I don't want to drive the Bentley. I want to drive Rolls Royce. Then I want to drive the Bugatti. Then I want to fly the private jet. I want to live in the mansion. The day when I say to myself, enough, will be the last day of my life, because I'm going to say enough of this bullshit from everyone who's trying to leech your energy, your blood, your money, whatever. Respect yourself, and then people will start to respect you. Respect and put your borders, and then it will be way harder to go up or to dig under your borders. And that's when you feel yourself free. Love, peace, profit. Thank you, everyone. In description, in bio, you will find all additional information. Thank you. Till the next week.